Welcome, today I am with AirPods 3 and the iPhone, and I will show you how you can connect these two devices. So that's very simple. At the first, we can just open case of our AirPods 3, sorry guys. And then we have to go for the settings, find Bluetooth, enable Bluetooth by tapping on the switcher, and in the most cases, they will be detected automatically by our iOS device, in this case iPhone. So we have to click connect, and then we have to press and hold the back button. This one, take a look. It's right here. Let's just catch focus. Okay, this one. So let's make it right now. Click and hold it until this indicator starts blinking on the white color. Right now we can release and take a look. We are going to connect with our iPhone. Let's skip, accept, and there it is. As you can see right now, we are successfully connected, and here we can also find some kind of information and other stuff. But also, if you have any connection problems, so you are not able to pair them or they are not detected automatically, we can make it one more time. So take a look. I'm going to forget them. Yeah, just forget, and as you can see right now, they are not on the list. When you open the case one more time and they are not appears here, just you don't see this notification, okay? And right now, how to move them to the pairing mode manually? Click and hold this back button until this indicator starts blinking on the white color. So click and hold right now, take a look. Now just release, and there it is. Right now we can finally connect. And then we are connected one more time. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe.